we have another question. We have to find out the coefficient of x to the power of 5, i.e. what is going to be in front of x to the power of 5 when we expand this. It's slightly more complicated because we have two x values and one is at the bottom. So we use a general term formula. When I go through this, at first it will seem slightly difficult, but with practice, I promise you, it is very, very easy. The formula is you are, i.e. you and your choice, equals 7, the total amount. So whatever the total amount is in your expansion, then your choice. It is your first term. On this occasion, it's an x. 7 take away your choice. So your total take away your choice. Then your second term, notice there's a negative in this question. So I've brought for negative through here to the power of your choice. So it's your total and your choice. Then it is your first term, your total take away your choice. Then it's your second term. If it has a negative, bring it through to your actual choice. We now need to tidy this up because we want the x's all together. So we're going to separate the numbers with the x's. So I'm going to take the negative 3 out. We can see it's to the power of r, so I've put it over here. Here's our x here, copied that through. Now this x is at the bottom. I want to bring it to the top. So what I've done is, we know that 1 over x, because there's no longer negative 3, because we put it there, is x to the minus 1. And when we multiply it with the value r, we get negative r. So here's our negative r. Bringing the x to the top, negative 1, multiply it by r, negative r. Now the rule of indices, when you multiply, is you add. So therefore it's 7 minus r, add a negative r, which is 7 negative r, negative r. 2 negative r's, there you go. 7 take away 2r. We now have x on its own, and we know that this has to equal 5 because that's what the question is asking for. So I simply make this equal 5, and you know how to solve an easy thing like this. I've taken a 2r over this side because I like to get rid of negatives. I've taken a 5 over this side. 7 take away 5 is 2. 2 times something gives me 2, so therefore that something must be 1, i.e. r equals 1, the choice. Okay, now I simply put that 1 back into this formula here. So it's 7, 1, minus 3 to the power of 1, which is simply minus 3, and we know that equals 5. You should, by simply looking at this, know that that value is 7 by now. I've expanded it just to show you, but you should know it. So therefore, it's exactly the same as 7 factorial over 1 factorial, i.e. your choice, and 7 take away 1, 6 factorial. Note that it doesn't matter which way you have it done at the bottom, because where it doesn't matter the order of multiplication. When you expand that, I've got it here, 7 factorial is exactly the same as 7 times 6 factorial, which is the highest factorial at the bottom here. 6 factorial, and you've also got the 1 factorial, they cancel out. You know 1 factorial equals 1. How many 1s in 7? 7. Right? But you should be able to go straight from here to the number 7. I've taken away that 1, and now I simply do 7 times negative 3, which is negative 21, multiplied by x to the power 5. We've completed it. It does only ask for the coefficient, so therefore the answer is negative 21. Okay, Hope this makes sense. Bye.